In a magical mosque where the minaret shines bright, lived a little explorer named Ali who loved to pray at night. He'd perform his wudu and stand in line and pray with his friends in a beautiful rhyme. Ali learned that Namaz is a special way to connect with Allah every single day. He'd recite the takbir and the Fatiha too, and feel happy and calm with a heart that's true. In the mosque he'd see a colorful sight, a rainbow of rugs where everyone prays with all their might. He'd hear the imam's voice so gentle and clear, guiding them through nameless without a single fear. Ali's name as adventure taught him to be kind, to pray with his friends and leave his worries behind. He learned that prayer is a